Hi guys, today we're going to do a recap on 3 of the hottest SPACs. Stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this one. Guys, today we want to do a small recap. I'm happy to tell you that we finally reached our $100,000 goal. We're currently at $103,000. Anything could happen throughout the day, but we reached that goal. And within the last 2 weeks, the market has been going steadily up. We have been investing in a lot of SPACs as of late, and I want to recap on 2 SPACs that we mentioned before that pretty much has gone up, and they still have more room to go. And we also want to mention one that we're in a swing trade as we speak, and we want to go over them right now. The first one is going to be one that we've mentioned before, BTWN. Since we last mentioned it, we did mention it at around $13-14, but since we last mentioned it, there's been some rumors going on that Tokopedia was going to merge with Gojek, but as of late, the rumor has came in that they will be merging with BTWN. That's a Peter Thiel SPAC that we spoke about before. So if you look at the charts here in the last week, it's ran up from right around 14.37 all the way to 16.28. We did have a high yesterday about $17. We jumped in heavier on this play. We increased our position size here. We currently have 700 shares here, 700 shares, and we're looking to trade it on the news. So we're looking to sell on the news on this SPAC here. We will keep some shares because, like I said, told you guys before, I'm a big believer in Peter Thiel, so I do want to keep around 300 shares, and if it drops, then I'll add more again. So anytime there's a famous saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. So you buy the rumor like before it actually happens, but you're getting, our sources are pretty good. You're getting these sources, you're putting the dots together. Remember we spoke about dots together, and then we sell the news. So we're looking to flip this for a $2 profit. We do have a sell order here. If you want to take a look, sell order at $18. So we're looking to make $2 per share on about 500 shares. That's $1,000 in one day. It can happen today, it can happen in a week, but that's our trade. The next stock that we want to talk about here is gonna be SSPK, guys. We spoke about WMAPs, weed maps, and I told you guys at $12, I told you buy this SPAC because it's going higher. We ended up setting out some of our position. We did have quite a large position on this. I wish I would have got a opportunity to buy more. That's why, guys, when you guys get an opportunity to buy at a very discounted price, you have to, put your money in there. Don't be scared. If it drops, buy more. This one is currently at 1807. I told you way back over here, guys. I told you, and about a month ago, it was right around here, 1201, 1205. That's when I was buying. It blew up to $18. What more? $6 per share. If you had 500 shares, just do the math. That's money in your pocket, guys. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what you can do. This is what we're doing. It's worked out for us. So if you want to follow along, follow along. If not, do your own thing. But this is just, our information. The last one I want to mention, guys, I'm not going to make this video too long, but the last one I want to mention is a recent SPAC. It's called Churchill Capital. Ticker symbol CCIV, Churchill Capital. That is rumored to be merging with Churchill Capital here with Lucid Motors. Now look at this, guys. When I say buy the rumor, okay, this SPAC could be the next Tesla. Okay, so Churchill Capital is a great company as well, a blank check company, and they're merging. The rumor is that they're going to be merging with Lucid Motors. So because this SPAC is getting so much hype, we decided to jump in as well, build out a larger position. We're here, 1753. We're down a little bit right now. We're in 700 shares, and we're also planning to flip on the news. 1975 is our sales price right now. So those are 3 of them. 2 of them we already did before. 1 of them is a new one, and Hopefully you guys follow along, get this information, get in there, make that money, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned.